Are you getting the Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2022 Redistributable x64 required error while launching Subnautica 2 on PC? This issue usually prevents the game from starting properly. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step solutions to fix this error on Windows 10 and Windows 11.
First, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Download the x86 installer. Download the x64 installer. Double-click the x86 installer. Accept the terms and press Install. Press Yes. Wait for the program to be installed. Press Close. Double-click the x64 installer. Accept the terms and press Install. Press Yes. Wait for the program to be installed. Press Close. Now restart your PC to apply the changes.